I'm going to share with you guys how to change from this kind of lighting to this kind of lighting. We're going to talk about tripods that I'm using, my video lights, the kind of softbox that you need to get, and the light stand, the new light stand that iFootage has. And then I'm going to share with you guys on how to get this kind of look just with very minimal and affordable setting. Check this out. Hit that like and subscribe and let's go. So I like to be as clean as possible. I know it's a mess. I got a lot of stuff going on over here, but I do like my YouTube studio, my loft, to be as clean as possible, because then it's a good feng shui. That's what they say, right? It's a good environment. It makes you work better when your work area is clean. And today is all about iFootage. I'm using their monopods, I'm using their light and their new light stand that I want to share with you guys on how cool and minimal they are. And they're very futuristic. Maybe you could get something out of it, how minimal it looks instead of having big tripods all over the place, right? So the first item that I'm going to show you is this monopod skinny light stand that has never existed before. Normally it looks like this, right? It's a lot bigger than this one and it's kind of bulky. It stands out, but check out this stand. It's like a modern looking lamp and it's such a cool design, and I could just leave it and not pack it away because it looks nice. You could use it as a tripod. You could use it as a light stand, a mic stand. You twist and make it tall, twist it tight. And this is kind of neat. On the top, there's a little hook. My iFootage video light, the power adapter, I just have it hooked up right on top. It's got a nice fabric on the bottom, so it's not gonna scratch the floor. It's got a silicone protection on the side, like that. Boom. Just the right amount of weight to make it sturdy as possible. So guys, this is how minimal my setup is. I got the tiny little iFootage monopod for my camera. Cobra monopod, check that out. It's a grip, it's a button, goes up and down. It's super cool. So let go. Boom. You could see that there's a grip on the front. Let go. And look at that. That's so crazy. So quick and so effective. The iFootage K5S flew ahead on top. You could add this on your monopod light. You could add this on this Cobra monopod, which I really love. It's very sturdy. You kick down here to make any kind of adjustments, and then you let go and it comes right up. And then if you want to take the base out, boom, it comes out, stays down, and then when you're ready to put it back on, you pop it in. And when it's time to put away, boom, I just put it on to the side, and it's very minimal. So I love this minimal look. iFootage has some awesome accessories. I got the iFootage 60-watt light. I don't need that much power. Even at 60 watt, it's even a half of that power right now, because my setting is kind of dark anyway, so I don't need it to be super bright. So that's a perfect setting. Small, tiny light does the job. It's SL1 60D. I love how tiny this is. So 60 watt is perfect. That can be operated with battery. Bum, ba, da, bum. Look how tiny that is. It's tiny. They have this V-mount adapter. There's also a hole on the bottom, a mount, so you could still put it on a tripod. It could be mobile. You don't have to plug it in. You can also additionally purchase this from iFootage, where you could make this little baby bone mount into a regular bone mount. So now you could put a big softbox like that in here. So this is bicolor. It has the ability to adjust not only the strength of your light, but on how cool and warm your light can be. It also has an app that you can use to control your light as well. So I got the rim light on the back as well too. So you could definitely check out their website and shop around and look for some cool accessories from iFootage. Highly recommend it. I got the discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support.